People of Ezeika, we're not gathered here merely to eat, but to remember that the Iroko tree does not forget its roots. So also, we should not forget the strength that kept this village out of this bush. Just like our forefathers before us, as we dance and drink, we should also be entertained by our warriors. Continue.
Ezeika community, look upon me as a wall that cannot be climbed. I, Agedo, I have fought with the wind and left it breathless. From the gates of the forest to the banks of Ovia, no man has ever tested the back of my clothes. My shoulders has never kissed the sound. Is there any man born of a woman who dares to challenge me?
I accept your challenge.
Ide, did you see the wrestlers yesterday? They were so strong.
You weren't watching the fight, oh. You were watching the men.
You know when I tank big time.
Hey. Did you hear that?
Hear what?
What happened? Come here.
The forest. The forest took her.
Hey! The forest took who?
Something dragged her into the forest. Hey! We are in trouble in this village.
Oh, the beast.
Warriors, this matter must be reported to the Ogiva immediately. Okay, Maga Honona.
Obaze, what's wrong with you?
Yahweh, what did I do?
I was telling you about that lady. You stood up and ignored me.
Ozibo, this is your problem. You talk too much. Utaragbe, what were you like?
Obaze, today I come to you as a man, not as a fighter. Yesterday you defeated me, not with strength, but with honor. I let my pride speak for me, and for that, I ask for your forgiveness.
Agedo, there's nothing to forgive. A man who stands and challenges another man is not my enemy. We could be friends.
They allow me stand by you. For whatever lies ahead, I want to be part of it.
Welcome, brother. Let's feast together. Greetings.
Greetings! Obaze, this is the lady that I was telling you about.
My brother, I don't think those maidens were looking at you the way you think.
What do you mean? Bayaka!
Our eyes were not on you.
So, Obaze, your new friend has already started taking my place. Feeling comfortable to speak to me. How well? Who are you?
Ekbe Balogbe. Come down. What's all this? Yeah,
Yeah, I'm out of here.
Don't worry. That's how he is. He will come around. Join me, brother.
Ide, my beautiful daughter. I know you are not happy about the disappearance of your friend Eyi, but I believe the warriors and the Nikau will bring her back. They are living in Ira. Don't leave here, oh. You heard what your father said.
Yoje.
walk like a man, carrying news.
The palace needs your presence. And the Enoge had summoned you.
Tell Ogima that I will be at the palace immediately.
Very well, warrior.
Ogima talk by.
He said,
Obaze, a maiden has been taken by a force from the forest.
Then I will bring her back.
Erio Wano.
I like your confidence. How do you intend to achieve that?
Obaze, no warrior returns from the evil forest alive.
Then I will return as an ancestor.
Obaze, a tree does not shake unless something moves in the bush.
Obaze, as you go, you do not just go with your life. You are carrying the name of this kingdom, Ezeika.
Ogima, talk by. He said.
The gods are with you. Gakian, Yaka Migbesalwe. At sunrise, you leave for the journey.
Ogima, talk by. He said.
Go, my son. Go. Go.
So any musi. Oje.
Don't ever try this again.
So umusegbe. Kuyome. So. Where when not here, love ya. That's why.
Seven warriors, 7 breaths. Only the forest will decide how many will return. The forest you enter is not the one your forefathers hunted. To lead is to carry death before others seize it. The restless heart walk towards danger. Remember, togetherness is your greatest weapon.
Igwe! What kind of Igwe! My husband, I can't find her. I think she has disappeared.
What do you mean she has disappeared? When I want her, I left the child under your care, and you say you can't find her. Hell. Or has the beast claimed her?
Baba, are you still here?
It's okay.
Baba.
Over 3 days now. Over 3 days they left for the forest.
I know.
It's okay. Your brother hasn't eaten. Hasn't slept in that forest.
Baba, you know he's doing this for us and our people.
It's okay. People who go to that evil forest don't come back the same. Even if they do.
Baba, yeah. I know. You have to calm down.
It's okay.
Hey, Rami.
I don't care about the community. I care about the well-being of my son.
Baba, where?
I should have stopped you.
Baba.
Wow. Nessu. Ogema! Ogema, Tope! Ogema!
Igbe, what is it? I have never seen you like this.
My daughter is nowhere to be found. And I fear the beast has claimed her. Ogema, you need to send warriors. Send more men into the forest. And if the forest refuses to bring her back, I will go myself.
Oko. No. You cannot go to the forest, Igbe. I know it hurts. But remember, of all my chiefs, you are the one I love most. I can't afford to lose you. Have you forgotten whom you are in this kingdom? How? Your daughter will come back. She will come. I assured you.
Okay, my chief, no spirits, no beast, no shadows can stand the courage of our Ogema. I strongly stand with Ogema.
You have spoken well. Ogema?
Uwese. Yasodogbe. Nalao.
How? Hey. Yami, oh. Enikayo waga vio, oh. Namudia yome yeke. Namudia yome yeke. Amami ekbe na vegera me o. Amami vegera me o. Wagume como ba Nyai kaga.
What was that? What was that? He was taken by the beast. Hey! Ide, what are you doing here? This journey is not for maidens. It is meant for the warriors. Why are you here?
My best friend has been taken. Is that not reason enough? And what about all the women of Ezeika? Is protecting them not the duty of every child of Ezeika? I will not stay behind. And if you men are truly warriors of Ezeika, you will not leave me here. Are you men not coming?
Ogiman Atokbe, the lion that does not tremble at the face of thunder. My king, you worry too much. There's no problem without solution. Why does the face of greatness carry so much worries?
My heart bodes Osadolo. Even the trees feels the wind. Osadolo.
Inogi, even if it feels the winds, it does not bow because it knows its roots. Inogi.
Imagine I got day here. Every yok bow dinner here. Every yok bow dinner here. The forest moves without my consent.
Inogi, you have sent Obaze and other great warriors. Trust that they will bring back solution. You want to talk, babe?
Yes. Every year, Koja no sake. Eoya make it. That I know, Sadolo. And I believe I should believe in them that I sent. Yes, I believe. Thank you. Thank you.
No get up, babe.
Obaze, I was wrong. I let my foolish pride and jealousy cloud my mind. I should have trusted you.
Oh, Ozubo. But we are here now, and that is all that matters. Nothing, not even this forest, can break our bond. But remember, you see this forest, and the spirit in it.
Ezeika, come, let's go.
I'm not afraid of you. I can't do me anything.
I am Obasa, the great warrior of Ezeika community. I will defeat you today.
Every 7 years, the beast torment the people of Ezeika community. Enika, Wawese.
Baba.
Igbelawe. Oh, thank God. Obasa, the great warrior of Ezeika community. You have done well. Osaze.
Baba Waya.
Years ago, the people of your community was attacked. I was able to save the queen. Hell! Iyore!
My mother?
Obaze, the beast is your brother, the lost priest of Ovia community.
Abaze, you capture him and you must kill him.
No. This is not right. I cannot do this. A hero no asset you.
Kill me! Or you face the consequences. That's all right.
He has to die for the curse to be broken. The beast is dead.
Ew! Iye manijore.
Go now and celebrate with your people.
Osaze has returned. This is a great news for the people of Ovia community. How? Inikao, Wawese. You must return this great news to the Ogema. By sunrise tomorrow, we must celebrate this. Usawese